स्टूडेंट, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज़ में आप सभी का वेलकम। और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जिसका नाम है बीटा एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन इससे पूछे जाते हैं, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। बीटा एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन क्या होता है? बीटा एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन the organic reaction in which the removal of atom or group takes place from the beta position from the given reactant molecule and results the formation of alkene, said to be as beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction are also categorized into two different categories. The first one is acid catalyzed beta elimination reaction. These are the reactions which are taking place only in presence of acid. For example, dehydration of alcohol. When alcohol undergoes dehydration process in presence of acid, then it is called acid catalyzed dehydration reaction, which is an example of beta elimination reaction, and it results the formation of alkene. For example, when 2-butanol undergoes dehydration reaction in presence of acid forms 1-butene and 2-butene, and 2-butene is considered a major product according to the Sidjev's law. Similarly, base catalyzed beta elimination reaction are those in which the beta elimination reaction takes place in presence of base, and its example is dehydrohalogenation. For example, when haloalkane undergoes dehydrohalogenation reaction, results the formation of alkene by the removal of atom or group of atom from the reactant molecule from its beta position.